Hello my dear students, this is Akash HD. Welcome to the ASD physics classes. I hope so you all are doing really great. So students, in this video we are going to solve the question from the chapter oscillations. Even this chapter is also called SHM, simple harmonic motion. In our syllabus, simple harmonic motion is there, okay, maximum time, and asked in a NEET 2024. Okay, let's go through the question. Okay, so see here, if the mass of the bob in a simple pendulum is increased to thrice its original mass and its length is made half of its original length, then the new time period of oscillation is x by 2 times its original time period. The value of x is how much here? So this question belongs to a simple pendulum. Even you can see by seeing the diagram also, you should have identified which kind of question we are solving, is it? So let's go through it. Here if I talk about here the mass, so mass, let's take here initial mass is m. Okay, so after that mass is becoming how much here? They are telling the thrice, so m2 will become here 3m. Okay, if we talk about here the length, let's take here initial length is l, so new length will become what here? You can see very well, they are telling half of its original length here, is it? So we can write here L2 is L by 2, is it? After that, if we talk about here the time period, so let's take initial time period is t, okay, and then what is the new time period? This time period will be how many times? X by 2 times of its original time period, so it will become here x by 2 into t, is it? Now what is the time period? You can see very well, one simple pendulum is there now, it will oscillate. So let's take for example, oscillation started at t equal to 0, just for the example, okay. So first it will go in this direction, it will come back, again it will go in this direction, and again it will come back. Then in this situation one time period will complete here now. So here it will reach at t equal to 0, then capital T, then 2t, then 3t, and all that here. This is called mean position, and this is called here the extreme position. This is mean position, and these two positions are extreme positions of simple pendulum here, okay. And simple pendulum is here, maybe it is looking like a curved path, but here if this theta is very small, then this curved path, this angular SHM can be considered as a linear SHM. That's why the name is what? A simple pendulum. Complex pendulum is a different game, okay. So in this situation, remember that here the time period of the simple pendulum is given by what here? 2 pi root L by G, okay. And here you can see very well here, in this one there is the no mass, okay. So remember that here the time period is independent of mass, okay. So whatever date of mass is given, that is not applicable because this is independent of mass, okay. So from here you can see very well, this t is directly proportional to root L, or I can tell here t square is directly proportional to L, is it? So from here onwards we have to just continue. We have got t square directly proportional to L, okay. So students, as we know very well what they told that here, as t square directly proportional to L now. So if I make here the one formula, so what can I write here? See, that is T2 by T1 square is equal to what we can tell L2 by L1, okay. So here you can see very well what is given here. Kindly see, T1 is T and T2 how much here? X by 2T. So when you will put the value of T2 and T1, anyhow T will cancel out and it will become here x by 2 square here. Now see here, this will become here x by 2 square here because T will cancel out. Similarly, what is L2? L2 is here L by 2 and L1 is L. So LL will cancel, it will become here half, okay. So we can write here, kindly see here, x square by 4 is equal to 1 by 2, is it? So after that what will come here? X square equal to 4 by 2 and it will become 2. So hence what is the value of x? It will come here root 2. What is coming here? Root 2. Kindly see very well, is it? So students, as I have told you, time period of the simple pendulum is independent of mass of the bob. This is called bob. Now, so this data, there is the no use of this. So what is the answer? Kindly check the options. You can see very well the correct option is here. Option B is the answer, is it? So students, I hope so. The question based upon the simple pendulum is very clear to you. Keep studying, keep growing.